Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up an MC protocol communication between a Mitsubishi Q and a Siemens S7-1200 PLC. In TIA Portal, I will open up the sample MC protocol project that can be found on Siemens Automation website. I will leave a link in the description to download it. In the project, there will be one 1200 and one 1500 PLC added. I will remove the 1500 PLC and add the correct 1200 PLC I am using. I will set an IP address to my PLC and make sure no protection or security settings will prevent communication. In the main block, we will have the function block added. We need to set some parameters to make it work. If we open up the Client Connection Data block, we want to add the IP address and port number of the Mitsubishi PLC. Down here, we need to set 0 or 1 depending on which version of Mitsubishi PLC you use. 1 is for the IQR series, and 0 is for the Q and L series. Now I will compile and download the program to the PLC. We can now jump over to GXWorks 2 and create a new project with the correct Q PLC type. Then I will go to the PLC parameter and set the same IP address and port number as we did in TIA Portal for the function block. We also need to check this box to enable MC protocol to the Ethernet port. I will insert my main program, then download these parameters to the PLC. We can now go to Monitor mode in GXWorks 2. Then we can open up the Device Memory Batch Monitor. I will set the memory batch to Memory Device 0. I will now open up TIA Portal side by side to GXWorks 2 and go to Monitor mode. To start the communication, we need to trigger the Enable input. If the connection works correct, the valid output will set to True. I will now open up the device memory and then its Tag List tab. Here, we can also see if the quality is set to G, it means the connection is good. If I now trigger a memory bit in GXWorks 2, the Siemens PLC will read its value. If we now want to write value to the Mitsubishi PLC, then we need to set the writing tag to True. Now we can trigger memory bits in the Siemens PLC that we want to send, and the Mitsubishi PLC will read its value. I will now test the same thing out, but with a 16-bit word tag. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.